मैं बहुत ही देर से लिखती हूँ अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग के
प्लीज
लिए।
वन बाय वन जो है अपना क्वेश्चन बोलिए, देन आई विल रिप्लाई यू वन बाय वन। ठीक है, कोई भी इशू है तो वन बाय वन जो है अपना क्वेश्चन बताइएगा, और माइक अपने म्यूट रखें ताकि डिस्टॉर्शन ना हो। जी नौरा।
On the Urdu homework, you said we could write our
Yes.
name up in diagram. Do you mean like the garden or the other work?
Please repeat it. Due to voice, your voice is dropped, so I know I can't hear your voice properly.
You said to write your name above a diagram, but with diagram, do you mean the garden or do you mean something else?
So
टीचर
garden.
लाइक टीचर
You
मैंने
can
क्या किया मैंने
imagine
एक
a garden including trees, flowers, sun, and
So we
many
write
other
our
things.
above the garden.
Yeah.
टीचर मैंने क्या किया है मैंने पेपर में लिखा अपनी चीजें क्वेश्चन लिखे फिर उसकी पेपर में एक छोटा सा कैनवस बना है इतना छोटा नहीं
कोई
लेकिन
इशू नहीं है अभी। आप लोगों का ये होमवर्क था उर्दू का, आप लोगों ने मुझे इंशाल्लाह इसको आज बना के कल सेंड कर दीजिएगा। ठीक है, ये आप लोगों की एक्टिविटी में इंक्लूड है। और अभी हम एसएसटी का हमारा पीरियड चल रहा है, तो हमने एसएसटी में जो है मैंने आपको बता दिया है, चूज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन आप लोगों ने बुक पे रहने देना है। मैंने इंग्लिश में भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया। नाउ अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, वी विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग चैप्टर नंबर 2 इन्वेंशंस। ओके, एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग एनी फर्स्ट चैप्टर?
No, miss.
No, miss.
No, miss.
No, ma'am.
ओके, okay. Who will start the reading? Chapter number 2, inventions.
I want to read. Teacher, I want
Miss,
to read.
मैं read कर लूँगी मरियम.
Okay,
The
Aman,
first
start the reading. Chapter number 2, inventions.
invention.
After Aman, Mariam, you will read, okay? Or Asman.
Okay, miss.
There are
कैन आई रीड
several
आफ्टर असमाहान
discoveries and inventions which dramatically which which dramatically changed the way earlier people lived. These
Early people.
एक मिनट टीचर, मैं अपने पीडीएफ से निकालूं, जैसे वो बार बार ना खराब हो रहा है। टीचर आप किसी और को दे दें रीडिंग के लिए।
जी असमान, आप रीड कर लें।
मिस, मैं read कर लूँगी मरियम.
जी मरियम, आप भी स्टार्ट कर लें। स्टार्ट द रीडिंग।
These are what will I learn? You will learn about the inventions and discoveries of the ancient world. You will identify how these inventions were important and completely changed the ancient world. These are several discoveries and inventions which dramatically changed the way early people lived. These include the discovery of fire, the invention of the wheel, writing, brick making, and irrigation. We will explore these inventions and discoveries and their
Impact.
impact on human
Society.
societies in detail. Miss, should I read ahead?
Yes.
Fire. There was no fire at the time of the early humans. The world was a dark and dangerous place once the sun set. People would gather in groups within caves to keep away from the wild animals and other dangers. Fire was one of the most crucial inventions of man because it gave humans control over their immediate environment. There is evidence that humans had discovered and controlled fire from uh, 400,000 to about 800,000 years ago. There are, however, other claims that put controlled use of fire as far back as 1.8 million years ago. But the evidence for this is not as clear and not and definitive. Archaeologists are still not clear on how fire was discovered by humans. Could it
Okay,
be
Mariam.
that humans?
Okay,
Now,
Mariam,
teacher,
stop.
can I read?
Yeah. Okay, Amar.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher,
Could
Mariam
it
के पास
be
तो
that
मेरी turn थी.
could
जी.
it be
अस्मा, आप अमार की बात कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है? रीडिंग.
could it be that humans probably discovered fire as a result of watching lightning strike a tree and starting a fire? Later, somehow humans also learned that they could use fire to cook their food. The invention of the fire, therefore, changed the way humans ate. Other uses of fire were warmth in cold climate and protection from wild animals and most earth beasts. In addition, humans could explore colder regions and settle there. Further, more activities could be also carried out to some extent after sunset, when it become cold and dark. There were other advantages of using fire. For instance, weapons and spears could be hardened and sharpened to improve their efficiency. Wheels like fire. Wheels like fire. The invention of the wheel is one of the most incredible invention of all times. Although quite simple in its construction, it revolutionized transportation in the essence time. Even today, the wheel continue to be an essential part of our lives. Almost everything around us use the wheels in one way or another. For the small wheels in our watching to the large one in airplane. The wheels originated
Teacher,
in
मैं करूँ reading?
3500 BC.
वेट अस्मा, अमार अपना ये पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट करे, देन आप करना, ठीक है? आप रीड
In
करना.
peace of 15,
एयरप्लेन्स
in
पे
which
करना, ठीक है? उसके बाद.
in present day Iran and Iraq, it had a very basic form, a simple round structured disc with a hole in the center of the axe. The earliest of wheels were used to make pottery. Thus, the earliest known use of the wheel was for manufacturing purpose rather than transportation. टीचर अब नीचे और भी पढ़ो.
नहीं, अस्मा आप रीड करें, आप कंटिन्यू करें.
According to the American
आसमान में क्या रीड कर सकती हूँ?
Jonathan Mark Canver, the development of the wheel in the Indus Valley civilization was also taking place. Civilization was also taking place simultaneously and independently of Mesopotamia. The Indus Valley civilization was an ancient civilization that exists from
Exist.
5000 BC minus 1000 BC. In present day Pakistan and India, its main cities were Mohenjo-daro and
Mohenjo-daro, Harappa. Yes.
Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The Indus Valley was one of the most
Sophisticated.
sophisticated civilization of its
Civilization.
time and civilization for its time and perhaps one of the first people to use the free spinning wheel with spokes, as they needed to transport goods for trading the Mesopotamia, China, and other places. It was essential to transport goods, usually in a large quantities and over very large distance for trade to
Flourish.
flourish. The Indus Valley, Mesopotamia, and Chinese civilization were highly advanced and developed
Economy.
economies. Therefore, the wheel must have been one of the most important invention for them, as it helped trade to prosper.
Prosper. ओके अभी आप रीडिंग करें नेक्स्ट पेज की.
जी हाँ रीड करती हूँ. Writing 2.3 writing. Writing is a standardized way of depicting and expressing a language by a set of symbols, pictures, and letters, which can be physically written or drawn. The idea is that any person should be able to understand what the writer intended to convey in such a time.
मैं आपको अपना मैसेज कन्वे कर रही हूँ. इसको कन्वे करना कहते हैं, पहुंचाना. कन्वे.
Convey. In current times.
Current.
In current times, the material used for drawing is usually paper, but earlier it was stone, leather, amongst other materials. The ancient civilization had writing system.
Wait a bit, pronunciation मेरे साथ. Civilization. No.
Civilization had writing systems in place that were used as from a form of expression. Look at the table below to find out the names of the writing styles of ancient civilization. टीचर और रीड करूं या नहीं?
जी आप ये रीड करें, फिर लास्ट पेज जो है वो नोरा कर लेंगी रीड.
ओके. एंशियंट टीचर एंशियंट की बात क्या है?
मेसोपोटामिया.
Ancient Mesopotamia. The writing style is called cuneiform, pronounced cuneiform. It was developed around 3500 / 3000 BC. Ancient Egypt. The writing style is hero, hieroglyphics, pronounced hieroglyphics. It was
Glyphics.
introduced in hieroglyphics. It was introduced in ancient Egypt in 3200 BC and was used till 400 AD. The writing ancient Indus. The writing style is called Indus script by teacher ये क्या है?
Archaeologist.
Arch-
Archaeologist.
Archaeologists. It was used from 3200 BC slash 1900 BC. Unlike the other two languages, the Archaeologists have not disappeared this writing system.
ओके ये पैराग्राफ मैं रीड कर देती हूँ और फिर नेक्स्ट जो है वो नोरा कर लेंगी. Bricks. A brick is used for making buildings, walls, and pavements. Bricks are long-lasting building materials and continue to be used today. The ancient Indus Valley civilization also utilized mud bricks for construction. A mud brick is made of a mixture of loam, soil, clay, slide, mud, sand, and water. This is used with a binding material like a rice husk or straw. In warm regions like the Indus Valley, bricks were generally sun-dried in. Some cases, bricks makers extended the life of mud bricks by putting fired bricks on top or covering them with stucco, which is a kind of plaster. Mud bricks were used at more 15 reported sites of the Indus Valley and are considered as a major cultural trait of this ancient civilization. It seems that from the time of Mehergar around 7000 BC to the Indus Valley civilization around 3300 BC. There was a gradual increase in the use of stronger fired bricks. Nora, can you read this paragraph? Inventions of fired bricks.
Yes, teacher. Inventions of fire bricks. Fire bricks are the strongest building materials, and their invention goes back 1,000 of years to the time of the Indus Valley civilization. In the present day Pakistan and some parts of India, around 3500 BC, the Indus Valley civilization, one of the most advanced civilizations of its time, utilized fire bricks to do most of its construction. This civilization had its cities designed on a grid, with roads, pavements, and houses aligned with vertical and horizontal lines.
Okay, Wapa. In this chapter, you learn about.
Do you want me to
Okay.
read one up?
No, you will read.
Okay, in this chapter, you learned about inventions of the ancient civilizations that were fire, writing systems, wheels, and bricks. Each of these inventions gave the ancient people the more power to control and change the environment around them.
Okay, good. वीकली प्लानर जैसे कि आपको शेयर कर दिया जाता है और आप सबके पास वीकली प्लानर जो है वो आपके पास कल ग्रुप में शेयर कर दिया था. आप लोगों ने अगर देखा हो तो उस पे जो है आज जो है हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 2 इन्वेंशंस की रीडिंग थी और कल जो है मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी इस चैप्टर की पूरी एक्सप्लेनेशन दूंगी इंशाल्लाह. और आज जो है मैंने आपके साथ पीडीएफ शेयर किया है होमवर्क. आप लोग अगर 2 डेज ले लें, अगर आप लोगों को ज्यादा बढ़ने लगता है तो आप लोग मुझे परसों या थर्सडे को शेयर जो है अपना होमवर्क शेयर कर दीजिएगा.
और टीचर जो ड्राइंग वाला होमवर्क है उर्दू में वो
क्या कह रही हैं आप?
ड्राइंग वाला होमवर्क
जी, वो भी बेटा आपने उर्दू का है ना, तो वो आपने कल शेयर करना है, ठीक है? आज के लिए मैंने आप लोगों
Okay.
को टाइम दिया है, वो जस्ट आप लोगों ने ड्रॉ ही करना है। तो वो एक्टिविटी है आप लोगों की, वो आप लोग मुझे कल शेयर कर दीजिएगा। ये होमवर्क अगर आप लोगों को ज़्यादा लगता है, बेस्ट चूज़ ऑप्शन मैंने काफ़ी टाइम बताया भी है कि वो बुक पे छोड़ना है, और बाकी जो हार्ड वर्ड्स हैं, ट्रू फॉल्स हैं एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, वो कंप्लीट आप लोगों ने अपनी नोटबुक पे लिखना है, ठीक है? तो हमारा टाइम जो है वो पीरियड ऑफ हो चुका है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, कोई इशू हो या कुछ समझ में ना आए तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिएगा, ओके?
अल्लाह हाफिज।
After Miss
Allah
Shah.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज।